Hello. Good evening, Peaconuts. It's Shilmo Baggins here with another peak chart analysis. Okay, so this is the daily chart for peak, and we just closed a daily candle actually. If you watch my video yesterday I spoke about a symmetrical triangle that was forming on the 4-hour chart that could go either way, right? And I later posted in the day when we broke down from that symmetrical triangle. Okay. This is the chart. This is the symmetrical triangle. Okay, as you can see, we broke down out of that symmetrical triangle. The target of this breakdown is the length of the formation of the triangle. So we'll take this length, we copy here, we'll put it at the point of breakout, and we measure. The target here says about 50.8 cents. Okay, 50.81 cents. All right, which is not bad. You know, this would be a healthy correction for peak. If you've been in peak for a little while now, you know that peak has had a very strong upwards price action, right? And for a healthy market, for healthy assets, it has to correct and build some kind of market structure, okay? Meanwhile, we're still in that larger cup and handle pattern, okay? We're still in that larger cup and handle. See, pattern, okay, with a target of $1.32. Now, this is still valid. This cup and handle pattern is still valid, all right? It's valid as long as we stay above the neckline of the cup and handle. The neckline of the cup of the handle, the neckline of the cup and handle comes in about 48.78 cents around here, right? Now, the target of this symmetrical triangle that we're breaking down from is about 50 cents. But, you know, is plus or minus, because it could be 50 cents, it could be less than 50 cents, and it could be more than 50 cents. If we weeks through the neckline, that's fine. It's not a problem. We get weeks all the time, okay? But if it starts to close daily candles under the neckline, that's when there's a problem. I doubt it's going to close daily candles under the neckline. Okay, this is a new asset, and we're in price discovery, basically. We don't have a lot of resistance to the upside, right? Nevertheless, I still think we will come to this target of this symmetrical triangle or close to it. We don't have to make it all the way to the target. Sometimes when you break down from a pattern, it just goes halfway through the big breakdown and you get a reversal. It depends on what other indicators are saying. It depends on just certain catalysts that could come into the market that could change things. You know, it's never like 100% certain. It's all probabilities. Okay. Let's look at a daily candle. Something important is happening on the daily candle, on the daily chart. Okay. And is with the indicators, because this asset is so new. The stochastic RSI, the RSI, and the MACD haven't had time to form, but it is gradually forming. And with the daily candle, with the daily chart, we have some developments, okay? We have some, you know, kind of bearish developments. As you can see, this is the stochastic RSI. Right here, this is stochastic RSI. This stochastic RSI decides the momentum of a given asset. We have been up here for all of the trading of peak. We've been up here bullish over the 80 level. We've been above the 80 level bullish, okay? Even with our corrections, we stayed above the 80 level. But for the first time, after today's daily candle close, we have crossed down below the 80 level. Okay, this is a bearish cross down, okay? And is in line with this breakdown from this symmetrical triangle, as you can see, right? So we've gone from overbought above the 80 level is overbought. But the thing about overbought is that you could be in overbought for a long time. As you can see, we were overbought since, look at this. From here, we were overbought. From the first time any line appeared, we were overbought. Okay? We were overbought for 14 days. For 14 days, we were overbought. But we're still riding high. Okay? But we finally broke down. We broke down. And we crossed down bearish for this correction. And is in line with this symmetrical triangle breakdown. By the time this symmetrical triangle breaks down to its target, about 50 cents, if he does get all the way down there, or maybe 49 cents or 48 cents, this symmetrical triangle, this stochastic RSI would probably have gotten down to oversold. Oversold is below the 20 level. Okay, it would have probably gotten down to oversold. And if it gets down to oversold, that is good for price action, because then the daily indicator have been reset and you have room for the next run. Okay. The RSI just broke down from his yellow moving average. Again, this is a very young chart. Very, very young chart. So you see the RSI, start to trend up from the beginning of the asset trending up to overbought, and we just broke down. Okay, in line with the correction that's going on. Now, this is not to say for you to go panic and sell your assets. You will probably regret doing something like that. Okay, you will probably regret doing something like that, because like I said, at any given time, this asset does not have to do anything. Okay, yes, the target of this symmetrical triangle is 50 cents, but that does not mean it's written in stone and the asset must do that. It doesn't have to do anything. Okay, the markets decide, because this thing can just turn around after breaking down only 50% of the move, could turn around and back up. And literally everything turns around, even the indicators. This indicator could just turn around and cross back up again and be on its way. You understand? For me, what I'm doing during this breakdown is I have buy orders set around the target of this symmetrical triangle. So I have orders to buy around 50 cents, 48 cents, thereabout. 55 cents. I have orders around that area to buy in case we drop that low. That's what I'm doing with this correction. Okay. Furthermore, I'm also really cautious about what I do as far as trading the markets with peak. I'm not trading at all. I'm really not trading. Buying the dip is the only trading I'm doing, literally, because this project is so robust that at any given moment, at a moment's notice, a new development can show up fundamentally that just turns the boat around. It turns the tide around. Today we just got official announcement that the enterprise aspect of peak has officially gone on chain, with partners the caliber of Bosch, Lufthansa, T-Mobile, T-Mobile's parent company. Just really, really, really bullish fundamental developments we got today, right? I don't know what the team has in mind down the pipeline, and I just this is the beginning of alt season. Okay, this is the beginning of alt season. I'm not trying to lose my position over trying to be cute and trading the assets that have such fundamentals like peak. Today something else going on today. There's a token unlock. I believe the unlock is going on right now, right? Despite the fact the unlock is going on right now, I'm not seeing any sell pressure, really. I'm really not. Like, the resilience of this asset is mind-boggling. I thought I would have filled my order by now, but it's not even going there just yet. Or if you even go there ever, I don't know. But yeah, that's the testament to the resilience of this asset peak. And I believe a lot of people were waiting for today and today's unlocks to make their decision on whether to get into this asset or not. Because I'm sure a lot of people were trying to see if they could get a better deal. I think after the next few days, after the unlock is officially over, and it did not take much effect on the price of the asset, of which so far I've not seen anything really. There's nothing groundbreaking that has happened. Maybe when we get to the target of this symmetrical triangle, that might convince some people that something happened. I don't know, because even the target of the symmetrical triangle, 50 cents, is not that crazy, But I highly doubt we'll stay there for any amount of time. I think we'll be back up on our way, and before you know it, But yeah, I just wanted to give an update on what's going on in the charts. As short-term breakdown, right? We have a short-term breakdown going on over here, right? Possible targets 50 cents, maybe 49 cents, thereabout. But long-term, you see this cup and handle pattern, long-term massively bullish. Okay, a lot of times when assets breaks out of a bullish pattern like this, right, it rides up and comes back to retest the level again like a throwback, which is going on right now, right? And after that happens, boom, it absolutely sends. So I see that happening with this asset. My position is concrete. I'm good to go for all season. Okay. Yeah, that's the video. Like, share if you like peak updates, chart analysis like this. Please follow, turn on post notification. Yeah. Thanks a lot, guys. Appreciate you. If you have any questions, hit me up in the comment section.